Mother Divine, Lord Shrobindo Pranam. Today, 23rd May 2026, Saturday. I am reading the Mother's prayers and meditations. May 23, 1914. O Lord, Thou of whom I would be constantly conscious and whom I would realize in the smallest cells of my being, Thou whom I would know as myself and see manifested in all things, Thou who art the sole reality, the sole cause and aim of existence, grant that my love for Thee may grow ever greater, so that I may be all love, Thy love itself, and that being Thy love, I may unite integrally with Thee. May this love grow more and more intense, complete, luminous, powerful. May this love become an irresistible urge towards Thee, the invincible means of manifesting Thee. May everything in this being become pure, profound, disinterested, divine love from the unfathomable depths to the outermost substance. May the God with form who manifests in this aggregate be entirely molded from Thy complete and sublime love, the love which is at once the source and the realization of all knowledge. May thought be clarified, organized, enlightened, transformed by Thy love. May all the life forces solely impregnated by Thy love and molded from it draw from it irresistible purity and constant energy, power and rectitude. May this weakened intermediary being take advantage of its weakness to reconstitute itself with elements entirely molded from Thy love, and may this body, now a burning brazier, radiate Thy divine, impersonal, sublime, and calm love from every pore. May the brain be reconstituted by Thy love. Lastly, may Thy love overflow, flood, penetrate, transfigure, regenerate, animate all things with the power, the splendor, the sweetness and force which are its very own. In Thy love is peace, in Thy love is joy, in Thy love is Thy servitor's sovereign lever of work. Thy love is vaster than the universe and more lasting than all the ages. It is infinite, eternal. It is Thyself, and it is Thyself I want to be, and that I am. For such is Thy law, such is Thy will.